In this video, we will discuss how tax brackets really work in the US. Disclaimer: this material has been prepared for informational purposes only and is not intended to provide and should not be relied on for tax, legal, or accounting advice. You should consult your own tax, legal, and accounting advisors before engaging in any transaction. This is a diagram of the federal tax brackets for 2021. As you can see, the tax bracket percentages increase as your income increases. Let's say Han is single and makes $80,000 in 2021. This would place him in the 22% tax bracket. However, this does not mean that he pays 22% of his income in taxes. You see, tax brackets are tiered, meaning that the amount of tax you pay is based on your tax bracket and all the tax brackets below it. Think of the tax brackets like a bucket with markings for each tax bracket. As you fill up the bucket past the first line, or bracket, you would pay 10% tax on all the money beneath that line. Then, if you pass the second line, or bracket, you pay 12% tax on the money from the first line to the second line. This continues until you have reached your tax bracket. Using Han's example from earlier, he would pay 10% tax on his first $9,875, which comes out to $988. Then, Han would pay 12% tax on the amount he made above $9,876 up until $40,125, which is 12% of $30,250, which equals $3,630. Han would then pay 22% tax on the amount he made above $40,126 up until $85,525. Since Han made $80,000 in the year, he would actually only pay 22% tax on the money he made above $40,126 and below $80,000, which is 22% of $39,874, which equals $8,772. In total, Han would pay $13,390 in tax, which is only about 16.7% of the total amount of money he made. This is called the effective tax rate. A common misconception is that making more money or getting a bonus might be negative if it pushes you to a higher tax bracket. This is totally false. As we just saw, tax brackets are tiered, so it is always better to make more money. If you enjoyed the video and learned something, please consider liking the video and subscribing. This video is brought to you by Gateway Bank's Financial Education Initiative.